Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm going to be preparing a very simple and easy brinjal pizza bites. I'm calling these brinjal pizza bites, but it's very nice and tasty, very comforting. Here I'll be using brinjal, the large one. I've taken the large brinjal and I've soaked it. We call it as eggplant also. So that brinjal is what I'll be using for this recipe. Once I've sliced it, I've soaked it in water. We'll require equal amounts of mozzarella and cheddar cheese, which is grated. Then I'll be using finely chopped onion, bell pepper, chilies, pizza sauce. I'll be using oregano, parsley. I'll be using some Mexican seasoning because I like that seasoning powder, and butter for this recipe. I'll be using a very new product in my kitchen. I'm very happy about it. This is a barbecue cum grill from American Micronic. This is a non-stick plated grill and it's smokeless. It is very efficient for our current Indian homes because many of us do not have the space to have a charcoal barbecue or other types of grills because it's smoky, and we are not allowed to use all of that in our living standards. So this is a very efficient grill oven, and you can use it on your tabletop itself, and you can grill it even and entertain it in your hall also. So it is very nice and compact. So it is very nice looking, and it does collect all that oil and grease. So it's not that messy compared to the regular grills. Now what I'll be doing here is I've buttered the grill plate and placed my eggplant on the grill plate. I'll grill it for 2 minutes on each side, then we'll place it on the grill rack. So this is also got that toughened glass which is see-through, and once you close the glass, your vegetable or meat cooks faster. Now I'm going to flip the brinjal to the other side and cook it for another 2 more minutes. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. I also post all these recipes in Tamil language, so my Tamil channel link will also be in the description box below this video, along with other social media handle links, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Do like me and follow me on my other social media handle links as well. Now once my eggplant has cooked to both sides, I'll be transferring it to the grill side of that pan, and I'll cook it on the grill side. This is very easy to clean also, friends. You just need a paper napkin and wipe it down, and it cleans very easily. So this is something I wanted in my kitchen because I prepare a lot of grill recipes, as you know, and there are many grill recipes on my channel. So if you visit my channel for grill recipes, I have posted so many recipes. So you can see that grill marks, it's appeared on my brinjal at this point because it's cooked well. I'll just sprinkle some salt to the brinjal pieces for the vegetable because it has to have some salt in it, and I'll top the brinjal slices with the pizza sauce. You use a ready-made pizza sauce if you cannot prepare one. I do have a recipe for pizza sauce on my channel, so do follow that recipe if you want to prepare homemade pizza sauce. It's also very easy and efficient to prepare at home. Now once I have applied the pizza sauce, I'll top the eggplant with finely chopped onion, finely chopped bell pepper and chilies. If you're serving this for kids, you can also add sweet corn and avoid the chilies. Now once I've topped it with the vegetable, I'll top the eggplant slices with equal amounts of cheddar and mozzarella, which is grated and reserved. And we need to cook this for not more than 2 minutes, just so that the cheese melts. And you can also sprinkle some Mexican seasoning on the vegetable and parsley and oregano on the cheese for that flavor. So this is a very simple and easy recipe, friends. It's very healthy. The Italians also prepare this. They prepare the fried version. I really like the fried version, deep fried version. But this is much more healthier, and it does not contain any oil. As you can see, I use very less butter. That's about it. And even if you want to diet, you want to completely avoid butter, you completely avoid butter because this is non-stick plate. and it cleans faster. So you avoid butter and you just cook the brinjal with a tiny amount of olive oil. That's up to your preference. Now once my cheese has melted, I have served my brinjal pizza bites, and this was very nice and tasty. My mother really enjoyed it. Do try this recipe, friends. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.